then it's time to go to Japan. We're almost there finally. Holy sh! How's your New York experience going, Sleepless?
Awesome. Peaceful. Relaxing. Tranquil, one would say.
Yeah, New York City driving sucks. Woo! Let's go! Introducing my travel mate, Colin Stevens. Yo, you made it, Sleepless.
Yo, we made it. Travel pass.
Made it.
Yo, everybody.
요코하마 방면 오후라행 열차.
We're on our way right now, headed for some sushi. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, nobody's here. Nice. It's good. Sushi time. We got English here? Oh, we got English. Nice. Let's see what we got here. Chow time. That's some good sushi.
Bon Fuji.
How's the food, Rico? Is it good?
Yes.
How do you say, like, before you eat, you say...
Itadakimasu.
Yeah, itadakimasu. Itadakimasu. What'd you think, Vonston? Delicious. We just had an awesome sushi dinner, and now we're in Don Quijote. Oh! Don Quijote. Good morning, all. Welcome to day 2 from Tokyo. We're now headed to Sendai by way of train, 2 hours. And we're going to get there and see a almost 300, maybe it's 300-foot statue of, I don't know, something really big. And,
Buddha.
Yeah. How'd you sleep last night?
It's a statue of Buddha, everybody, I think.
Statue of Buddha.
Sleep well.
I got 2 hours of sleep. I froze. My friend Rico forgot to give me a blanket. Cold all night. Oh, I was shivering. So cold. 2 hours of sleep. How'd you sleep, Rico? How'd you sleep with your Gucci blankets and Gucci bed? All good? Yeah. You were nice and warm up there. Your down comforter. She forgot to hook me up. Ooh, wrong night. I don't know where she's at. We gotta go. Back up. We're on our way right now to the subway. Hopefully we have time. We don't miss it. I think we'll be good though. What's up, Rico?
It's good.
What do you got going on today?
Shrimp, rice.
Shrimp.
Whoa.
Yeah.
We got some royal milk tea, hot, my favorite. And we got some
Cold coffee.
Rista's back. So good.
Got corn soup.
In case you want some corn soup.
Some kind of soup. I don't know what that is though. Hot corn soup.
Risk taker, no mask.
No mask.
Risk.
No risk, no reward.
We have made it to Sendai. So I just checked in for 9 hour. This is pretty cool. There's nobody here. Looks like this way. Whoa. Sitting in an elevator. Hello. Ohio. We're learning our Japanese and we're doing so well. Ohio gozaimasu.
Sumimasen.
Very good. Japanese 101 with Rico. Rico,
はい。
how do you say excuse me?
すみません。
Sumimasen.
日本語。すみません。
Did I do good now? Sumimasen.
No.
See? Everything I say is no good.
Yes.
Sumimasen.
すみません。
Sumimasen. People, am I not saying it? Sumimasen.
すみません。
My Japanese is very good. Arigato. Gozaimasen.
プレゼント